Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Squarespace SEO settings for cleaner UX and structure, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home page of your website. From the left sidebar, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select SEO. You'll find options for site title and site description. Update the site title to accurately reflect your brand. Make sure the site description is clear and concise. Next, scroll down to the Advanced section. Here, you can customize your social sharing settings. Update the social shares to enhance your visibility on social platforms. Now, return to the main Settings menu. Select Pages from the sidebar. Here, you can manage your individual page's SEO settings. Click on a specific page to edit its settings. In the Page Settings, locate the SEO tab. Fill in the page title with relevant keywords. Add a unique page description to improve search visibility. Ensure your URL slug is clean and contains keywords. Return to the main page list and repeat this for all critical pages. Next, go to Design in the left sidebar. Select Custom CSS to improve site appearance and structure. Ensure your custom CSS doesn't disrupt usability. Once your design is set, navigate back to the Settings menu. Click on Commerce if you're running an online store. Optimize product descriptions with keywords for better rankings. Review images, ensuring they have alt text that describes them accurately. Now, go back to the main Settings section. Select Analytics to monitor your SEO effectiveness. Use this data to identify areas that need improvement. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.